Kamano wadhi nyime kama jotend riwruog lakteche pachoka mano mar KMPDU otelo ne ng'anyo mar jokanyo mag-gi ka gikwedo chal marach mar sekta mar thieth e pachoka. Kamano bende giriwore kod jokanyo mamoko e sekta mar thieth ka giseyo okumba mar thieth e kind weche mamoko moting'o chudo mag-gi. Ne gibago ng'anyo kowuok kar thieth maduong' ma Kenyatta nyaka e apis mar migawo mar thieth kama ne gichwalo ywak mag-gi.
So government deducts our medical allowance. Government deducts our statutory deduction. Government does not remit to itself, and the government denies our services. We are saying we can't allow that. And therefore, our ask is that the Social Health Authority demand that every ninth of every month they remove workers from accessing services has to stop. And no amount of notices will stop this. So we are asking that there's no way workers will be going to the hospitals and not getting the care while they're being deducted faithfully. Government must sort itself out. That is also a reason for this protest today. But the main thing is that no doctor will allow bastardization of the CB.